So ayan, again, this is Sherwin and I'm back with AIA Philippines, and ngayon may nagtanong kasi sa akin kung ano ba daw yung endowment plan. So there are a lot of different plans in insurance, di ba? So may VUL plans, variable unit link plans, term insurance, ordinary life plans, and meron tayong tinatawag na endowment plan. So ngayon, may nagtanong kasi sa akin kung ano ba daw yung endowment plan at ano yung kaibahan niya compared to the other plan. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin, napakasimple lang ito, yung endowment plan na to. And mostly, ito yung kinukuha ng mga clients ngayon sa AIA Philippines kasi napakaganda ng plan na to. So maraming endowment plan, depende na lang sa kaya ng budget mo, and depende kung magugustuhan mo yung plan na yun. And yun nga, meron akong nilabas na post few days ago or kahapon, I guess, na it's all about A+ signature ng AIA Philippines. So napakaganda nun, guys, no? Especially kapag bata ka pa, nakukuha no. And ano ba yung endowment plan? So number one, napakasimple lang nito. Ang endowment plan, it allows you to receive money back at a specific date. So, di ba? Napakaganda. It allows you to receive money back at a specific date depending sa contract ng plan or depende dun sa plan na makukuha mo upon purchase. May mga endowment plan na like after a year, makakuha ka ng money back after a year, after 2 years, or after 3 years. Depending sa plan na kinuha mo. And one of the best also of this plan, in case of death, diba? In case of death, before that date, a life insurance amount will be paid out to the beneficiary instead. Like, bago matapos yung contract or yung contract ng endowment plan mo is 10 years, diba? 10 years, in that specific years or 10 years, nakuha ka ng guaranteed cash payout or money back coming from your endowment plan. On the 11th year, namatay si insured, your face amount or your death benefit will receive or makuha nun ay ang beneficiary mo. So imagine that, no, after 10 years, you get money from that endowment plan or from that plan, and then on that 11th year, si insured namatay, nakunod, the face amount or the death benefit amount or the insurance coverage ay makukuha ng mga beneficiary. So yun lang po ang endowment plan. So if you want, it's feel free to message kung gusto niyo nang kumuha ng insurance plan. Again, mag-message lang kayo dito. Huwag kayong mahiya. Feel free to message me.